Hello, my name is Martin. Welcome to our Yebo factory. Our factory occupies 23,000 square meters. We have over 300 employees.
We have 3 production workshops. Now we are standing in the first production workshop. It includes a full automatic spraying line and assembly line. We stock data racks in many sizes, from 6U to 47U. Two standard colors, black and white. On my left is the bottom cover plate, and then this is the top cover plate. As usual, many accessories are stored in this area. They are waiting for your order. We can assemble or pack for you at first time. Let's check out this installation corner together. The thickness is 1.0 mm. This is the 4-fold profile. We bend the plate 4 times. This is the corner. We have kinds of lengths: 600 mm, 800 mm, and 1000 mm. We have all these installed. Because our factory has excellent production management and sufficient product inventory, which ensures our fastest production lead time is 3 days. It means that after the customer pays the replacement payment, we can deliver the goods in 3 days. Please follow me to visit our assembly process. The woman is installing the inside of the data rack. She needs to install the stop, bottom cover, and mounting corners according to the drawings. The process is very easy. Installing is very fast. Look here, this worker is installing the baseboard, fence, and roof. The next step is to check the condition of the installation, and finally install the falling fence. We have reached the entrance installation process, and I believe you also know that our data rack has a simple structure and is easy to install. So we can assemble more than 200 standard data racks every day. Today we have visited the detailed assembly process. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more information about data racks, welcome to our website to learn more. Thank you.